Welcome to mygardenchannel.com's YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to root cuttings in water with a comb. Very simple to do. We're going to be using some rose succulent cuttings, which we like very much. They grow really well here in Ohio and colder climates. And so you're just going to take those cuttings, slide them into the comb of your choice. We've got 5 cuttings here. We're going to use a rectangular container, just a glass container. We're going to fill that with water. And the rose succulent's really cool because as it grows, it kind of spreads, and every new offshoot opens up as a rose. So it's a really cool plant. We sell a lot of this. And as you can see, we're going to submerge that under the water. And that is the key to getting roots quickly. And in about 3 to 4 weeks, you're going to have roots about 1 inch long, and actually after that's done, you're ready to repot those. So you can see what's happening here. Again, the key is keeping those cuttings under the water and let them root into that water. And then it's just a matter of time, and we're going to take a little pot. We do a lot of mini plants at our shop, and so we're going to repot these up into 5 mini pots, which are really cool, really trendy thing here. You have small spaces. You put these on a windowsill in a kitchen somewhere and enjoy your plant from there. So again, we're just going to take some potting mix. We like to use a professional potting mix that we get from a local nursery, and then you know what to do from here. We're just going to pot them up and let them root in for about another couple weeks or so to a month. And then they'll be ready to go, and actually they'll start sprouting out and multiplying right in that little mini pot. So very neat little trick here. You can even doctor it up, put it into a ceramic pot, find one that fits right in there, and all sorts of cool things. And there you go. And here's after about 3 to 4 more weeks, you see the little side shoots there coming out, and it's really enjoying this little pot. And so simple to do, guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.
If you liked what you watched in today's video, here is another video you may also like.